Hi, it's Lisa from Vocabulary Luau, and I want to show you this little trick I've got for printing Post-it notes. And I'm going to give you the link to the file in the description box below. But what you'll be able to do is print on Post-its, just like you see here in this picture. I printed those out on my very own printer today. So what the slide deck looks like is first this template page, and this is for 3x3 Post-it notes, the larger size. So this template page you print out. Then you lay the Post-it notes that you want to print on in each of these 6 boxes. Now, if you need more, you can reuse the same template page, or you can print out additional pages of it. When you're ready to design on your Post-its, what you do is you use this design slide. Inside these squares, you can add in text just by clicking text box, right, and putting text where you want. You can also insert images that you can upload from your computer, or you can search the net right from here. You can pull in from your Google Photos. You can add in shapes. You can add in checkboxes, quotes, rubrics, anything you want to do. Now over here, it will tell you how to print those Post-it notes out. And you have to follow these directions exactly, especially this part, the part that says click the hide background button. How that works, so let me show you what it is. It would be file, and then I have to scroll down to where it says print settings and preview. Now, hide background. Let's scroll down to this one. Watch what happens. Hide background. And now it looks like a blank page because what had been inserted as a background is now gone. Then you can download it as a PDF and then print it, or you can print right here from your Google Drive. Now, this is my printer. Yours will look different. I want to make sure I change the pages to just the page I want, right? I don't want to print page 1 that shows this. And you just put in whatever page you want, and then you will print, and it will come out on your printer. Now, you have to make sure that you feed the end of the paper into the printer where the adhesive strip is. So if this is the adhesive strip of the Post-it, make sure that that's what's going into your printer first. If you put in the Post-it notes upside down, it'll mess up your printer. So also on this template, you're going to get a page that already has the word here in a text box, and you could type in the words. And the reason is that this is for a specific vocabulary activity that I do, that I have kids use. And so it tells you some directions of what to do. And again, every page has those print directions on it. This is just an example of one activity that I do. I put in pictures of angles, and then these are the words that describe those angles. And of course, I mix them up for the students, but then I have them match them. That's just an example of one of the things you can do. In addition to the 3x3 template, you're also going to get the 2x1.5 template. So that's for those little tiny Post-its, and you'll get a page that has those with the words. Again, everyone is going to have the printing instructions. You'll also get a blank one for this if you just want to design. Then you're going to get an inspiration slide. This is where I just show some of the things that you might want to print on a Post-it. And so you can make your own for however you would like to use them in your classroom. So as a teacher, I print on Post-its all the time. I find it super helpful, and I hope that with this easy template, it will help you do the same. Now, I also have a link in the description box for a longer article on the website where you can go and learn more about printing on Post-its and get some ideas for yourself in your classroom.